Hello, and welcome back to another video. And today we are leaving Exmouth. Plus, we are going back to Carnavon. That Miami city, Miami town. You know, that is Carnavon. And again, we're only going to stay there for one night. Because from there, we're going to Denham, another place I don't know about much. So, I hope you enjoy this traveling video. If you do, like, subscribe, and let's hold on tight during this long journey. We've already got a lot of the stuff packed up onto the top of our rack, on our roof rack. Got our pillows here. This pillow there. Our pillows here. When we drive off, and we're not likely to have service, so we're just going to continue packing up. Bye-bye, Yadi Homestead. And those are the cabins here at Yadi Homestead campsite. There's a well-shot statue here in Exmouth. Bye-bye, Exmouth. And we finally left. Bye-bye, Coral Bay. Just your ride. Bye-bye, Coral Bay. Welcome to Carnavon. We're finally here. And my parents are asking if we should get some banana. And I honestly don't know. See? We'll just see. Here, some evidence. That's Carnavon. And here are some of the banana trees. Banana palm trees, I don't know. Some of the plantations of banana trees here.
2 hours later.
Welcome to Carnavon. We're finally here. And my parents are asking if we should get some banana. And I honestly don't know. See? We'll just see. Here, some evidence. That's Carnavon. And here are some of the banana trees. Banana palm trees, I don't know. Some of the plantations of banana trees here. Here we are, some more evidence that we are here in Carnavon. We are here in Carnavon. As you can see by that sign. There we go, past Carnavon, and there is, and of course the trees have to block it. Just give it a second. There. Satellite dish used to communicate between space satellites. Thinking it's a military thing, but again, it could be science. Just going past. Yeah. I can't remember, but it was Fantis or something. What was it? Fashion, yeah? Fashion key. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce it either, but fashion key, I think. The fashion. Just to our right over here. Which looks like Miami sort of, except there's no resorts. And here is our new room. Again, here's the bathroom. Of course, must start off with the bathroom. Larger. Not Tina, but it's alright. It actually has a good light, actually. It probably has a good light. Never mind what I just said, forget it. Yeah, we got the bedroom. Also decent sized. Oh, look. Same type of chair as well. And here's our view of the outside world when we're asleep. We're only staying here for one night, remember? And what does that thing say? Welcome to Carnavon. Small boat harbour. Small boat harbour. So here we are. Our new bedroom for the next night and for the final nights here in Carnavon. I just said that like we've been here for the last 5 days.